This is Karan Johar production. Continues to screw Goa's happiness and will continue to do so. There is their so-called robes, PPE kits, unsegregated garbage thrown all over Nerul village, discreetly done and thrown into the pristine countryside jungles of Goa. Nerul village. This is all the garbage thrown by Karan Johar's team. You can see these are the plastic disposable plates. These are the gowns that they have been wearing, all the kits. There you are. You can see everything that so-called Mr. Milind Borkar, screw you, you are ashamed to Goa, has done. This is the state of Bollywood raping Goa and keeping their asses clean with imported toilet paper. There you are. That's so-called maligning that we have been doing for Karan Johar Productions.